Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang, that generation right here from year 2015 to year 2023. If you need to find where the relay for the cigarette lighter is located because the cigarette lighter does not work, stay with us. We'll explain where that relay is located, where you can buy cheap relays and fuses, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test relays and fuses. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience, guys. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything, guys. Anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this absolutely free information. And if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So here we'll demonstrate on 2018 Ford Mustang GT that we have here at the garage. Amazing car, guys, but even if you have a different engine, it should work as well. This is the main fuse box. In order to open it, you press on that notch and you start lifting it up, okay, like that. And you can see on the back side of the fuse box here, you have the fuses and relay numbers printed here, and that layout corresponds to this one here. That's really convenient. The bad news is that you actually, guys, don't know what they're for, and that's why we're making that video, to save you time and money. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So the cigarette lighter relay, where it's located, you can see, guys, you have 3 different kinds of relays, fuses, multiple kinds. Again, we'll put the link in the description of the video below, where you can get some replacement ones, because they can be hard to find or really overpriced in some cases. If you come in that fuse box right here, that relay 69 right there corresponds to this one here. That's the relay for the cigarette lighter. If you want to see anything else specifically, let us know. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.